My name's Neil Cochrane, Managing Director of Bluechem Australia. Today we're down in the workshop doing a quick demonstration on our Bluechem products. So with the products we're going to be using on Volkswagen Passat today, first of all what we're going to be doing is a compression test on the vehicle, as I mentioned, just to get a baseline on the engine. From there basically we'll be applying into the vehicle's engine our oil system cleaner. From there we'll be applying the OxyCat and the fuel system cleaner into the vehicle's fuel tank. Obviously from there we will be doing our air intake system with the ClearFlow. So the ClearFlow device is an on-rail cleaning machine for injectors, hence the brass fittings, or also to do air intake cleaning before the throttle body with the S-bend adapter. How the adapter basically comes in the vehicle is as a straight hose, as you can see here, which is basically manoeuvred into the situation to get in front of the throttle body plate around about 3 centimetres away. The product we apply into the air intake system is our XXX Plus, which is a new formula that reduces inventory in the workshop to do both petrol and diesel vehicles. Obviously we want to clean the throttle body plate and the airflow sensor in the vehicle as we're doing the air intake clean. And from there basically we'll be doing the Carbon X to clean the crown of the piston in a two-part cleaner. Part A, K1, is a foam cleaning product, and Part B is our catalyst, which is applied after about 15 minutes to dissolve the product, which we'll go into a bit later. Finally, once we've drained the oil, we'll put the Nano Engine Super Protection in the vehicle, which is applied directly to the new engine oil with the new after the filters and being changed. We're going to do a baseline compression test on the engine to see how the engine's performing, and then have a quick comparison to do another compression test once we've had the Bluechem service. So we're going to apply our oil system cleaner into the engine to remove all operational contamination. Having a look at the contamination on this car, which has never seen Bluechem before, we can see on the top of the filler cap that it's almost like a grit that's on the cap. This is obviously in the whole entire walls of the engine. So we basically just applied the fuel system cleaner to the unleaded fuel tank. The fuel system cleaner does up to 80 litres of fuel. We can't really overdose with this product as it can be run to the rail through the ClearFlow machine. With the OxyCat, it is used in both petrol and diesel engines into the fuel tank for decarbonising the entire exhaust system, maintaining the EGR valve under normal driving conditions with our new decarbonising technology. So what we'll be doing now is we'll be applying our new product Carbon X into the through the hole of the spark plug onto the crown of the piston, and what we need to do is shake the can at least for 30 seconds to a minute before using the product, as it's a foam cleaner. In the lid of the K2 cat, what basically come with our hose is to apply the foam cleaner directly to the crown of the piston. As you can see, it's a very stable foam cleaner, and this product can also be used fantastically to clean EGR valves off vehicle and also turbochargers. So we've had the Carbon X now, K1, in the engine and the cylinder walls for the last 15 minutes on a hot engine. Now we're about to apply the K2 to the engine, which will dissolve the foam and liquefy the carbon on the crown of the pistons into a substance which then we use the Carbon X extractor to suck out the remaining residue of the liquid with the carbon that's been removed from the crown of the piston. Yeah, they're good. The pistons now have been cranked up and down. Normally what we'd see is some heavy residue in especially a V6 engine, where obviously there's going to be a little pool of Carbon X in there. So we've cold cranked it now. We won't get the issue happening with the spark plugs being wet, and now we'll proceed to put the spark plugs back in the vehicle. So with the kit, the ClearFlow 2000X, basically what we're doing is it comes with an optional on and off valve. As we've got an on and off valve already on the hose, we'll just connect up the fast clip onto there. Then we're basically going to apply the S-bend adapter into the throttle body hose, and we'll go on to do that now. So as you can see, we're draining the engine oil in this petrol engine. The oil is extremely black, as you can see. And with our uniqueness of our oil system cleaner product, we can basically see that if I was to wipe my hand, it is actually clean. It had actually dissolved all the running contamination into the engine into a liquid state. In the instance of common rail diesels, which are very dirty engines, the customer could be well satisfied that the engine oil will be clean if they check it when they pick it up. Once we've finalised the cleaning process, we changed the crankcase oil and applied a new oil filter. Simply we applied the Nano Engine Super Protection to the new engine oil. Nano Engine Super Protection basically gives an extra lubrication film to the internal surfaces of your regular engine oil. It reduces noise, vibration, and also has a far smoother, quieter running engine. So we've completed Volkswagen Passat today. As you can see, we've had a compression test before and after. Managed to secure ourselves a 13.5% compression increase on the engine, simply through using our service and maintenance products. As we know, we applied the OxyCat and the fuel system cleaner into the fuel tank, the XXX air intake through the S-bend adapter to the air intake system through the throttle body. We also cleaned the throttle body plate, which is very important. Having the oil system cleaner in has helped us get the compression increase along with the Carbon X, and the final product we've used is the Nano Engine Super Protection on top of the new oil with the filter. For more information, please see our website for the Bluechem range, where we can guarantee you more satisfied customers, less customer complaints, more additional profit for your business with no additional time or labour in service and maintenance.